In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks that make our Disney cruise more enjoyable. Watch this video to the end and I'll show you the trick I use on every Disney cruise and even my daughter's boyfriend Maddie used on the Disney Wish. So on a Disney cruise, people like to decorate their doors and it's fun to see what people come up with. I found these cool little battery powered Mickey lights on Amazon and the battery lasts probably 4 days, so on a 7-day cruise I change the batteries once. Check out these customized Mickey magnets so you can remember your cruise. My daughter even made me this magnet so people could scan the QR code and get some good dad jokes from Craig's Family Travels and Dad Jokes with my daughter. These magnet hooks are a great idea for your swimsuits or hats or bags. So your stateroom is made out of metal, so magnets stick to any wall that you put them on. A USB charging station is a great idea for your mini phones that you need to charge during the day. Pro tip, another one. If you don't like these big bulky Mickeys, what do, Bookin'? You go to the front desk and ask for these plastic case. But check that thing out, is that sweet?
That's cool. Yeah. When did you see that? Amazon, right?
Amazon, $10.
$10?
Yeah. Do you know what you call two monkeys that share an Amazon account? Prime mate. We use these towel clamps quite a bit on our cruise, especially on an at-sea day. We just clamped our towels to our chairs. The wind wouldn't blow our towel away and we could find our chair pretty easy. Binoculars is something I brought on our cruise. I didn't think I was going to use them very much, but I use these things every day. Let me show you how easy it is to do laundry. Your stateroom will have a laundry bag in it, so you put your dirty clothes in it, and when you need to do laundry, head to one of the laundry rooms. The first step is load up your Key to the World card with how many washes and dries you need. And they do provide laundry soap and dryer sheets for extra cost. Then you go to one of these fancy washing machines, scan your Key to the World card, then select what cycle you want, push start, and your clothes will start cleaning. When your wash is done, you will get a notification on your Disney Cruise app, and I suggest to head straight to the laundry room and put your clothes in the dryer as soon as possible, or they might end up out of the washing machine if somebody needs to use it. Now, here's my pro tip that I use on every Disney cruise. The locker room up in Senses Spa on the Fantasy, Dream, Magic, and the Wonder is open when the gym is open.
I used this tip when I was on the Wish. The locker room didn't open until the spa opened.
And at 6'4", I don't fit in the shower in the cabin very well. Plus, I would leave the shower available in the stateroom for my wife and my 3 daughters. The locker room provides towels and all the essentials that you may need, like deodorant, shaving cream, shavers. Just check out how much room these showers have. They even had a sauna that you can use anytime you want on the cruise. They even have lockers that you can lock your belongings in while you're in the bathroom or in the gym.
Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.